If it weren't for the internship, I would not have had this opportunity.
My internship actually fell into my lap, and I'm very grateful for it.
It's been very beneficial. I wasn't familiar with the area before the internship, and now I've made so many friends.
Yeah, my time at Pitt, it's a big experience because a lot of this, my first year, this was not here.
I truly feel like this opportunity was opened for a reason for me.
Well, having an intern, of course, is always an opportunity for us as an organization to get outside feedback as well. So the value that she has brought and the program has brought is the ability to get a different view of, what somebody else thinks about what we're doing.
Between learning measurements for different things and learning how to use different equipment. You love to be outside, like to work. Yeah, this is the place to be. I mean, between Winterville Parks and Rec and Winterville Public Works, they're amazing. I like them.
My favorite part is definitely working with people. I get to design flyers, promote certain things, and we want to reach the community more and have people understand and learn about what we're doing. It's been very uplifting. It's very good to see, a lot of people are very kind. We work with a lot of volunteers, and so talking with them and seeing people that come in and that have a need for something and see them responded to with such kindness, that's very uplifting.
But I work from at home, it's remote. So basically they give me a project to do. For example, historic months or anything like that. I do research and then I make the projects for them, and then they put it out to all the ECU for them to view it.
Being an intern here, you actually get closer with a lot of the teachers, a lot of the staff. You actually have resources at your grasp. If you have any questions, there's a lot of people in all these buildings that are more than capable of answering them. And I feel like, it opens up a lot of doorways for you.
I'm doing a lot of really fun, cool things. So I got started with the basics, just kind of cleaning up the lab and all the equipment. But then they let me move on to doing things like actually getting to keep cells alive and healthy and do experiments with the cells and make data for the lab. I think this internship is definitely a great opportunity for people interested in science, and we're also help cultivate a lot of new great scientific research in the future.
My favorite part, honestly, has been working on the gamifying the training project, because it has really opened my eyes and forced me to do a lot of different research. So I'm learning more and more about the company as I'm working on this project and working with others.
The Jeremiah that I was in April is a completely different Jeremiah that there is in July. The biggest thing is communicating with different patrons, going through different applications, learning how a grade and scale works whenever you're going through the different applications. As far as payroll increases and what that looks like for the different positions here. You're gonna improve, you're gonna learn new things, you're gonna get better, so that was it.
This program is important for our students because we found a way that we can partner with financial aid to be able to use our federal work study dollars to be able to intertwine that with this learning opportunity. We are thrilled to have the number of local companies participate with us that we have this year on this trial run. Partnerships are important when it comes to actual hands-on work experiences, and by our students being placed in companies of high prominence within our community, we know that they are getting the skills and the coaching that they need to be successful.
This has been an amazing opportunity also for me to get an understanding more of what PCC offers and being able to help bridge some of those individuals who are looking for that career here locally, and being able to share with them the opportunity to grow and develop.
I feel like the internship got kind of perfect people in the same room, people who wanted to learn, people who wanted to teach, and create that kind of connection.
I would definitely recommend the internship program to other students because it's really a great learning opportunity for you. It kind of gives you exposed to your field and where you're wanting to head.
Summer Launchpad program opened so many doors, 1000%.